Zombie Apocalypse.
Hey there world, this is Mr. Harmon, and that is the version of the cart we are creating. So our little GoPro session that I borrowed from Kobe is going to be able to record the Knex coaster track in first person. So we're almost close to test time. Alright ladies and gentlemen, that is the Knex coaster. And I am Mr. Harmon, and this is a 3D printed apparatus you've seen earlier in the movie for our Knex track. And this is your first ever first person view through the Knex coaster. Got the wheels all on, and let's see if we can be successful. Oh no! So our first test is a crash, which those can also be just as epic. So there were a lot of things I did custom on this ride. I will have to analyze it, and I'll shoot out another test in a few minutes.
Unicorn Zombie Apocalypse.